You may be wondering how to use this learning management system. Well, we are here to break it down on how to use learning management systems for you. We are going to have
We're going to break it down into the 4 things that every learning management system does, and we're going to show you 2 learning management systems. Kajabi, which is an externally facing learning management system for your customers, and Talent Cards, which is an internally facing learning management system for your employees. So I'm going to break down these 4 items, show you how they work inside these 2 learning management systems.
Boom! Thank you so much for being here. We have a free masterclass for you linked in the description, all about teaching you how to make an e-learning program, an online course successful every time.
Every single time.
Go down and click on
if you're making a course for your employees or for your external facing customers, you want to check out the tips we got in our masterclass. All right, so the 4 things the learning management system does is number 1, hosts your course. Number 2, sequences your course. Number 3, delivers your course. Number 4, collects data.
And number 5, just kidding, just wanted to see if you were listening. There's only 4, my friends.
All right, so we're going to go through, if you want to learn about the specifics more in depthly of these different things, just the definitions, we have a video about it. Otherwise, we're going to dive in to 2 different LMSs. So
make sure you're wearing your goggles.
Number 1 is Kajabi. So if you are interested in Kajabi, we have a link right below the description.
30-day free trial.
Yes, a 30-day free trial. As you can see here, this is only 14 days if you go to their site. So if you want that 30 days, go check out our link.
We got your back.
And it's pretty modestly priced. This is also the learning management system we use for our courses, so we're going to dive in there in a bit. The other learning management system we want to show you is Talent Cards. Here's the pricing right here. We also have a link in the description below this video if you want to check it out. If you use our link, we're actually able to give you upgraded features for free. So in addition to trying out this free version, you can actually get the upgraded features of the standard version for free, but you only get that if you use our link. So check that out. All right, let's dive in. So Kajabi. Learning management system. Host your course. So how does it host your course? Well, we're going to go in here. We're going to go to products. So Kajabi is not just a learning management system. It is a business management system. You have an online business. You want to use Kajabi to manage it, especially if you're selling products digitally to your customers. Create a new course and look, get started. Course title. Call it sample.
Sample, there we go.
Right?
You hit that
blank course,
blanket
drip course, you can make a membership course, whatever it is. We're just going to make an online course, continue. You can upload an image, you can customize all this stuff. Paid or free, we're going to make it free.
Free. There you
go.
go.
Free, save and finish.
Save and finish, and boom!
Now it's going to create it.
Building the product.
You're
doing different things. It's adding the ones and the zeros together.
So this is how it hosts your course, okay? Then how it sequences your course. You can see here you can add individual modules. Individual modules. So welcome to the course. We can open this up, we can add a video, we can add audio, we can add an assessment, we can add written content below here.
We can add files that you can download.
Downloadable files,
workbooks,
other
PDFs.
automations, there's a lot of stuff you can do. But this is how Kajabi sequences your course. So Kajabi breaks it down into modules, submodules, and lessons. As you can see, the folder means module, the piece of paper with a fold means lesson, and then a folder within a folder means submodule. So this is how you sequence a course in Kajabi. So you have modules, then you have submodules, and you have lessons.
And if you're seeing this for the first time, this is the back end, right? This isn't what the UX looks like for your learner. We are taking you through the back end. You, the course creator, what you're going to be doing in the
Here's the front end.
Here's the front. Now, obviously, you can change it up, customize it.
You can customize it for sure. But here's what it looks like. And as you can see, it's sequenced in order. And this goes to the point 3, which is delivering the course to your learners. So your learners just need a login. And when they have a login, they can access your course. Super simple. The cool thing about Kajabi is it doesn't just collect data on your learners in your LMS, it also collects data on revenue, on subscription metrics, on opt-ins. So this is stuff that you need to sell your course. So if you were selling a course to a customer, you want to use Kajabi. Okay, so if you want to look at the data being collected on your users, you go to Product Progress, then offers sold, affiliates, etc. Kajabi does it all. Let's dive in to Talent Cards.
Talent Cards. Bring bring the talent out.
So in Talent Cards, your course is actually a card set. So we can create a new card set. That's the same thing as creating a new course. We actually have a video all about how to create a mobile learning module or a new card set in Talent Cards. Go check that out. But you can set your name again, description tags. You can choose if you want double-sided cards or single-sided. For this, we'll just do single-sided. Save changes. Here's what a card looks like. So now we go to sequencing. So now once we have the course set up, we can sequence it. And how we sequence it is by having cards. So the order that you have the cards in is the order your learners are going to ingest your content. Now the third item is delivering this to our learners. So the great thing about Talent Cards is it is a mobile-first product. So how you deliver your course to your learners on Talent Cards is just like one of our favorite clients, Sprinklers Inc. has done, which is they build out all their modules, their milestones into Talent Cards. Here's all the card sets, and this is how they deliver it to their learners. As you can see, I have completed 100% of all the card sets. This is how it works. So pretty cool. And then the last item is data. So now we go to reports and look, with 1 user, 6 sets, 0 completions. Yeah, look at this. The engagement's pretty high. These are good numbers, actually.
We're winning, baby.
This is our test account. But so cool, gamification, tell you seasonal leaders.
Hey, you're
overall
number
leaders.
one,
I'm
Johnny.
number one, bro.
Look at that, bro.
It'll
There
tell
we
you
go.
savings. We can also download these reports as an infographic or a detailed report. So I'm going to download both and show you if it downloads.
What it looks like.
Here we go. The infographic is coming. Here it is. Show me that info.
We want to see it. Boom!
Right, so this is the same
that
thing
can
we
be
just
emailed
went
down
through.
to your team as well.
Exactly. So now we can also get a detailed report.
Detailed report.
Detail. Your report is in the box.
All right. Oh.
Here we go. So now we have a spreadsheet with all the data and analytics on our users. So this is how an LMS works. These are the basics. Both of these platforms actually do a lot more than the basics of an LMS.
Yep.
But you're here to learn the basics. We taught you the basics. Check out our masterclass, and we'll see you there.